exclusive and a couple hundred leads, I've been stacking catches like I got them cheese shit. Be just like GTA with a Ferrari in the streets, I've been grinding hard, I've been on my guard, yeah. I'm climbing to the top with nothing but my bars, yeah. You never seen them, but I got a couple scars, yeah. They on my heart and I got plenty in my arm. I'm not ashamed to explain where I come from, yeah. I just wanna be a better man. I'm not afraid just to say where my mind was. Yeah, I'm lucky I'm still here, I got a plan. Yeah, I had a couple friends that I lost, bro. Yeah, they meant the world to me, I guess they'll never know. But I wanted to go join them, but I can't go. I just gotta stay strong, yeah, I gotta grow. All the money in the world, it don't mean nothing, yeah. Ooh. All the fame in the world, it don't mean nothing, yeah. Ooh. You just gotta find yourself and be something, yeah. Ooh. Yeah, before you know it, you'll be up and coming, yeah. Ooh. Yeah, my corny ass is trying to speak some wisdom to these teens. I just wanna let them know that life is purpose and a dream. You can overcome this shit if you stay close to all your team. Just know that you are important, it'll help your self-esteem. I just wanna make it clear, yeah. Ooh, that you have nothing to fear, yeah. Ooh, keep your friends and family near, yeah. Ooh, gotta hold on to what's dear, yeah. Ooh, yeah, I know the feeling of loneliness, it just tears you up. Yeah, the darkness and the stress and you feeling it just too much. But remember that your life is important, so don't give up. You just gotta make it through, but then you becoming plush, Listen to me please, you are not a burden, yeah. You are needed and I love you as a person, yeah. Hope is real and your story is important, yeah. I'm here to listen to your words that paint a portrait, yeah. I wanna stay, I wanna breathe, I wanna swim instead of sink, yeah. I wanna stay, I wanna breathe, I wanna swim instead of sink, yeah. I wanna stay, I wanna breathe, I wanna swim